Glenn Wright, President and CEO of PDA. Can't believe I'm here. It is the PDA Microbiology Pharmaceutical Conference 2025, sold out. And I have the distinct pleasure of talking to David Hussong, Dr. David Hussong, former FDA aseptic processing expert, everything, lifelong legend, I think, now in the industry. And so, so welcome.
Thanks, Glenn. We seem to go back a long way. Everything was on a scroll back then.
I think so. Everything was definitely paper.
Yeah. But things have come a long way. The technology in the meeting makes it so good to follow the speakers, and I can save the slides and all my notes.
Yeah.
It's another good meeting.
Yeah, so what are some of your favorite topics that you've been hearing about?
Well, I saw a really good one on regulatory expectations and the technology to validate these. One that was very impressive had to do with a blow-fill seal technology, something that I've probably been out of for about 20-25 years. So it's a refresher on that was pretty nice. And then there was another one on pharmacy compounding and expectations there. And that was something that was very up and coming at the time I left FDA. So I'm glad to see it's being followed, is more generally understood and being explained to the folks here.
Oh, fantastic. And you're a longtime member of PDA, right? And so, how did you discover PDA and get involved in PDA and all those things?
Well, PDA was introduced to me when I moved from the Center for Biologics to the Center for Drugs at FDA. And in those days, it was a perfect deal because I could go to a meeting and become a PDA member. Just
that.
Part of the package.
Yep.
And I found it pretty good, so I jumped in, and I was participating in a number of things for a while and got into it.
That's great. Yeah.
Real good stuff.
And you've done so much. I mean, I still remember you on stage. You always had your uniform on, looking very sharp, right? Telling us the way we need to do things, which I always appreciated. So always a big contributor. And then when you left FDA, continued to contribute, continued to be part of all this. And I really just can't thank you enough. So
Yeah, well, it's really good. It's been a good 33-year association with PDA. And I've had some fun.
Well, great. Hey, thanks for taking a few minutes. Really appreciate it.
Good luck.